This is the elevator that fixed last time. Otis.
It's an Otis? That didn't look like an Otis button. I guess it did.
Yeah, but the button outside, the round button outside doesn't go with these square buttons inside.
Oh no, they don't. I'll get those in a
So
minute.
it's not, it's
Looks like an old Otis Series 1.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And it's the red indicator lights. You don't find those much anymore. You do some. And it's what do you call the doors when they're separate like that?
Center open.
Center open, yep. I knew that, I just can't remember the actual phrase. There's the phone. Okay, we're going to end at 2?
Yeah.
Okay. And I'll get a cab view. There's the ceiling. There's the back, and only the back's got the handrail. It does say Otis.
It sure does.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
These actually more match the ones inside the elevator.
Mm-hmm.
So these buttons actually match the ones inside the elevator.
Yep. Not the one down in the lobby.
I just pressed them both.
Yeah, that's fine.
Now it's gonna leave.
All right. Are we ready to go, or are you going to explore some?
So it says, I'll always check because you never know when we're going to find them open.
Yep, you never know.